Going to solve the equation sine squared x minus sine x minus 2 is equal to 0 for x being between 0 and 360. So we've got sine squared x minus sine x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic in sine x. So to solve a quadratic we can factorize, or you could use the quadratic solver on your calculator. So the product is going to be 1 times minus 2. It's the number in front of sine, which is 1 in this case, times minus 2. That gives me minus 2. The sum will be the middle number here, which is minus 1. Now the factors are two numbers which make minus 2 when you multiply them together, and when you add the same two numbers you get minus 1. So if you do minus 2 times 1 you get minus 2, and minus 2 plus 1 gives you minus 1. So write down the first term, which is sine squared x, and split now the middle term up into minus 2 sine x plus sine x. We haven't changed the meaning, we've still got minus sine x there. Minus 2 is equal to 0. Then group the first two terms together, and the highest common factor is sine x. So get sine x, brackets, sine x minus 2, plus, bring down that sign. Now there is no common factor here. We put 1, and then we'll just put in a bracket sine x minus 2. Here and here we now have a common factor, so that can now come out. So we've got sine x minus 2, and then we've got sine x plus 1 is equal to 0. So either sine x is minus 2 is equal to 0, which gives you sine x is 2. Well, that just isn't possible, because the biggest value that sine x can be is 1. Or sine x plus 1 is equal to 0, which gives sine x is equal to minus 1. For that, we need to draw the graph. So drawing the graph, we've got 0, 90, 180, 270, 360, minus 1 and 1. Drawing the graph of sine, it looks like that. Just a sketch, you just need to learn the graph. Okay, where is sine x equal to minus 1? There's only one place, which is there, which gives me an answer of 270. So the only answer to this problem is that x is equal to 270 degrees. So this has been a video to solve a quadratic trigonometric equation which is in sine x. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.